So you're in a meeting, a colleague is talking, they're putting forth their ideas. How do you really let that person know that you are listening to them, that you are respecting them? Well, for starters, you need to look right at them. Do what so many people are doing in meetings these days, which is and trying to multitask, looking at email, text, other information. So look at them. Nod if you think you're getting the point. That's step 2. Step 3, try to summarize their point. I don't mean word for word like you were a stenographer, but in your own words, summarize what they said. That's step 3. Step 4, then ask them, am I understanding it right? Did I get it right? So it's not just that you are listening. It's not just that you understood. It's that they now clearly see you're trying to make sure you're understanding them, because you're asking them. Then if they say, yes, that's exactly my point, now we know there is a connection. Now the person knows you're not only trying to understand them, you're not only trying to respect them, you have understood them. Actual communication takes place. This is what's going to make you a more effective leader. This is what's going to make you effective at running meetings, whether you're a facilitator, CEO, or anyone else, because all human beings want to be heard. They want to be respected. They want the status of knowing my ideas are important. And one of the reasons many corporations lose top talent, it's not necessarily because of pay. It's not necessarily because of the perks or the free sandwiches or the beer at lunchtime. No, it's because people feel like they are not listened to. They feel like their ideas don't matter. They feel like they are not a force in the organization. And sometimes it is simply a matter of listening to people in a deeper way, a more meaningful way. Now, you need to act upon their ideas as well. It's not enough to simply listen, but the first step is making sure people truly understand that you're listening to them. You're getting their ideas. You are focused on them. We live in an attention economy, and something that is prized almost more than money these days is attention from other human beings. And if your colleagues feel like you're not giving them attention, they're going to feel slighted. They're going to feel ignored. They're going to feel undervalued. So that's why you've got to do everything you can to give attention anytime someone's speaking to you. If you want to be more successful, then improve your communication skills. The best way to do that, smash the subscribe button right now.